Hi, my name is BC Hoffman with Chef BC from DC Catering, and today I'm going to show you how to make fettuccine sauce using flour and butter. Now, traditionally, that's how it's done. You want to make a traditional mother sauce. Now, by mother sauce, I'm talking about bechamel, the mother of all mothers. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to put that into our saucepan, and we're literally going to take that and keep it on the saucepan until it stops singing. By stop singing, I mean you don't want to hear any more crackle, because that's the water that's evaporating from the actual butter. We're going to add in our flour, 3 tablespoons of flour. Once that's done, you're literally going to stir that roux until it's nice and hot. You're going to make it nice and hot, baby. Nice and hot. And what you want to do is, as soon as you smell that delicious pie crust smell, that's when you add in your milk. I also have this fettuccine right here that I've cooked up and I've let cool down, and I'm ready to actually add that once I finish making this sauce right into the mix. Stir it all up and you've got yourself a fettuccine Alfredo. Mwah!